Apreciados estudiantes de Español 1 y 1A, buenos días. El señor Injusto está aquí. Espero que todos ustedes se encuentren bien. Vamos a repasar la tarea de la última semana. Perfecto. Greetings to Spanish 1 and 1A students. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we're going to go over the conjugations, the conjugation tables from the homework last week. Espero ver las correcciones o las formas correctas en Google Classroom. Perfecto, durante los días que vienen. Espero que sí. So, it's difficult for sure to learn these conjugations in a remote learning environment. So that's why there's this answer key that we're going to go over by video. Perfecto. I'm going to attach it, or it is attached, I should say. It is attached to the post. Ustedes necesitan hacerme el favor de corregir los cuadros de su tarea con las conjugaciones correctas. So, in addition to watching this recorded lesson, you guys are going to get into this document, which is attached, perfecto, to my post. You guys are going to go back to your homework and correct your conjugations. If necessary, change your conjugations according to what's in these tables, so you guys know the correct forms, and we can go forward with our homework assignment next week, which will probably involve some kind of paragraph in which you fill in blank spaces with the correct conjugations of these verbs. Perfecto, empezamos. Ustedes pueden repetir con el señor Injusto. Ustedes pueden repetir conmigo. El verbo abrir, to open. Las formas correctas son abro, abres, abre, abrimos, abren. Again, correct your own homework in classroom. Any of your conjugations don't match these, correct them. So you know these conjugations for our upcoming week of homework and recorded lessons. Escribir, todos ustedes recuerdan el verbo escribir. Un verbo muy común en español. To write, ¿sí? También un verbo terminado en ir. Another verb ending in ir. So abrir and escribir here, two verbs ending in ir. Notice how the conjugations, how the endings overlap. Escribo, escribes, escribe, escribimos, escriben. You can repeat what's in your Injusto if you would like. La página siguiente. Ahora, dos verbos muy importantes, muy utilizados, se puede decir en español. Verbos bastante difíciles porque la raíz termina con vocal. So here are two commonly used verbs in Spanish. Leer, to read, creer, to think or to believe. And they're particularly difficult because the stem ends in a vowel. So when you add the endings, you have some kind of double vowel. And maybe as you look at these conjugations, they even look strange, but they're correct. ¿Sí? Repitan ustedes. Leo, lees, lee, leemos, leen. Y también el verbo creer, las terminaciones son iguales. These two verbs, leer and creer, both end in er, and note the similarity in the endings. Así que repitan, creo, crees, cree, creemos, creen. And this, like diphthong, I guess you could call it in Spanish, both of these vowels are pronounced. Les. They're rapid fire, but they're definitely pronounced. Let's keep going. Finalmente, el verbo prender, to turn on. Por ejemplo, una computadora, un portátil, una luz. Anytime we're talking about a computer or a laptop or a light, turning it on, this is the verb we use in Spanish. Repitan, por favor. Prendo, prendes, prende, prendemos, prende. Perfecto. Así que ustedes tienen durante esta semana dos responsabilidades. La primera es terminar con la prueba que tienen ustedes durante esta semana. Your first responsibility this week, perfecto, is to finish up that quiz, los adjetivos posesivos, the possessive adjectives quiz. Most of you, the vast majority of you have finished it. If you haven't done it, you need to do it this week. La segunda responsabilidad, corrijan, por favor, estos verbos, estas conjugaciones. Your second responsibility, really simple. Go back to the homework that you submitted last week in Google Classroom, and using this answer key, make sure your conjugations in the homework you did match the ones right here in the answer key. Perfecto. Y durante la semana que viene, espero presentarles el recurso que se llama Flipgrid y vamos a practicar con el verbo leer y las cosas que leemos. Of course, at the beginning of this week, you guys were given just a little quick Google form in which you were looking up definitions of things that we use with the verb leer, to read, things we read. So make sure you get that done also using the online dictionary. We're going to put all this together next week. We hope to with Flipgrid. Perfecto. We'll talk more about that later. Make sure you get those three things done this week. Así que todos ustedes tengan una buena semana. Cuídense, lávense las manos. Perfecto. From Señor Infuso, have a great week. Stay safe, wash your hands. Nos vemos pronto. See you soon. Ciao.